Hey, this is Ben Jernigan from Warrior Outdoor Equipment in Southern Illinois, coming to you live from the 2020 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Here to show you another great offering from Mahindra, the #1 selling farm tractor in the world, the 4500 series. Simple, traditional transmission, straight gears, no shuttles, no electric switches, the same basic platform that Mahindra was building 50 years ago for International Harvester, brought into the modern century with modern features and upgrades, easy to get to loader controls, the Mahindra Common Rail engine, which requires no emissions regeneration, unlike a lot of our counterparts. Over 2,600 pounds of loader lift capacity on this tractor, over 1.5 tons lift capacity in the rear with Category 1 and Category 2, a full-framed, full-bodied farm utility tractor that is affordable for most small farms. Comes in a 40 horse and a 50 horse version. You say, well, if I can get the same tractor, 10 horsepower, there's got to be a price differential. You're talking a nominal $2,000 to $3,000 depending on your geographical region in difference for 40 to 50 horsepower. What do you get? You get 10 more horsepower, you get a set of hydraulic remotes. You get to sit in this comfortable suspensioned M Comfort seat to operate from. You have all steel construction all the way through. No plastics, polymers, and composites.
You have to be tough to be the world's #1 selling farm tractor. Mahindra tractors are tough thanks to more built-in weight, so they can safely pull flex-wing mowers and rescue neighbors stuck in the mud. And you're tough too. You haul feed and pull a float on your hometown parade.
Let's pray.
And still make it to supper. Now that's tough. Sounds like we have a lot in common. Mahindra, the official tractor of tough.
You've got a simple 8 forward gear, 2 reverse, high and low range gear transmission. You have a swinging drawbar to make hooking up easier. You've got Cat 1 and Cat 2 with an adjustable right side. On the 50 horse model, or if you add them to the 40 horse model, your remotes are going to sit here. You have all steel. This model is shown with the industrial tires, optional ag tires. At our dealership, we keep them in both. You move around to your entrance and egress side. On the left, you have a 2-stage dual ceramic clutch. You have no switches to engage your PTO. So your first stage is for your transmission. Your second stage is to throw this handle to engage your PTO. That's all you need. Simple mechanical 4-wheel drive. Simple heads-up display, fully integrated. Got a few warning lights that should you need them. Simple, long service interval tractor. Very simple, well made, around 8,500 pounds when properly ballasted with a loader. So you can put your round bell on the back, your round bell on the front, get the cows fed, get back to the house and have breakfast before you even get cold. So come on by at the National Farm Machinery Show here in February in Louisville. See us. We'd like to show you why Mahindra is the #1 selling farm tractor in the world, undisputed. And we'd like to make your next tractor a Mahindra. So come by and see me. I'm Ben Jernigan. Thanks for watching.
You have to be tough to be the world's #1 selling farm tractor. Mahindra tractors have a tough, heavy-duty steel frame, so they can lift fallen trees and everything else thrown our way. And you're tough too. You maintain roads and mend fences and give your neighbors a hand and still make it to church on Sunday. Now that's tough. Sounds like we have a lot in common. Mahindra, the official tractor of tough.